The main advantage of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is that we can capture customer requirements efficiently and that the platform provides digital continuity throughout the entire development process and thus a clear and coherent solution.
Our Kärcher product development process was very abstract before we introduced the platform. Now that we have the 3DEXPERIENCE platform with integrated project management, we can build our product development process in a structured way, meaning each team member knows exactly what to do and when.
All involved project stakeholders can collaborate on the central system, and errors will be identified very early on, and the final product will go to market much earlier.
The 3DEXPERIENCE platform allows us to focus on projects and integrate all relevant stakeholders much earlier. These stakeholders are, for example, the patent system or packaging development departments. The transparency in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform enables us to advance faster in our projects and make the right decisions quicker. Currently, the appliance and electronics development departments are running quite separately, and we want to focus on model-based system engineering to connect these better.
The 3DEXPERIENCE platform supports our systems engineering approach because it combines mechanical and electrical engineering, and we believe that we can better control the configuration of our products and thus reduce complexity with the platform. We currently use requirement management, project management, and the full suite of CAD applications. In the next step, we'll add portfolio management and downstream processes such as service and production.